Often watching videos on YouTube, a question must be echoing in your mind. What will benefit the creator of this video? How much money will he earn from it? Especially big YouTubers. Whom videos get billions of views in a single minute or in a single day. And these people also spend millions of dollars in making their videos. In this video, we will share an exclusive information about the world's biggest YouTuber, MrBeast. That how many $1,000,000 he earns from his single video, and will also share his complete biography. So stay connected with the video until end and share your valuable opinion in comment box. MrBeast is currently the biggest YouTuber of the world. He has 180 million followers on YouTube, which is more than the population of many countries in the world. Real name of MrBeast is James Stephen Donaldson. He was born on 7 May 1998 in United States. And in 2012 he joins YouTube as a creator. In starting, MrBeast used to upload gaming videos on YouTube. But later he started uploading challenging videos. His first video went viral in 2017, in which he continuously counted from 1 to 100,000. After that, MrBeast uploaded several more unique and challenging videos, including listening to the same music over and over again for 10 hours, throwing a metal rod at school bus, try to park more buses on a single school bus, digging a well and trying to pass a train through it. Apart from this, MrBeast has also uploaded several challenging giveaway videos on his channel, for which he has distributed millions of dollars to the general public. MrBeast spent millions of dollars to make his single video. But does YouTube reward him for his hard work? How much money he earns by uploading a single video on YouTube? This can be estimated from one of his tweets, in which he mentioned one of his videos and said that he had to spend $3 million to make this video. But after several weeks of uploading, I have earned only $167,000 from YouTube monetization program, which is very low. So the question arises here for the viewers. How can MrBeast spend so much on his videos, despite of earning so little from YouTube? Does he belongs to a rich family that spends so much money? The answer is no. He belongs to a middle class family. And to make video, he is completely dependent on sponsors. Now, which companies are sponsoring MrBeast? And how many and which brands MrBeast is personally running? And how much revenue does MrBeast manage to generate? All these questions will be answered in the next few videos. So subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon for getting new videos. Thanks a lot.